What's going on, YouTube? Reddick is back here on this windy afternoon in the E90. Let's get in before I freak anyone out. I just had this lady give me the weirdest look when I had the GoPro on. Oh, look at that Maserati. Hello. But yeah, guys, I just had some Chipotle, worked out. That guy's kicking. But yeah, I just worked out, had some Chipotle. I feel pretty good right now. Well, I always feel good, but you know, I feel extra good right now. Little Mercedes right there. And yeah, guys, we're just cruising right now. Hope everyone's doing well. I certainly am grateful to say I'm doing well, and the fact that I'm able to make this video for everyone. But in this video today, I just want to talk about, you know, the future plans and stuff like that. It's springtime right now. It's April. It's getting warmer outside, which I enjoy. You know, I definitely like the warmer weather. Wow, he's gone. I got a nice little sound clip of that. That was cool. But he had the Maserati going. I like Italian cars. I don't know if I'd own one, but I'd definitely drive them if I could. I feel like the ownership is a little crazy. I've heard some like crazy stuff about like the Ferraris just blowing up, literally just blowing up. Catching on fire and stuff like that. I mean, it can happen with any car essentially, but it was like, it almost seemed like it wasn't like a common theme with the Ferraris. So you really have to baby them, I'm pretty sure, when you get them. But anyways, the Beamer, so well made. Thank you, Germany. Thank you, Munich. Thank you for building this car. What should I say? Thank you for building this BMW. I'm very grateful. It has been a pleasure to drive, pleasure to own, pleasure to work on too. It's treated me very nice. And you know, I hope this YouTube channel and this YouTube series can, you know, maybe if you're like me thinking about it, I would say do it. If you can find like a decently maintained 328, I'd say do it. They're very reliable, knock on wood. I really haven't had any issues. The only issue I've really had, actually, and this isn't even a complaint, it's just that the reservoir for the windshield fluid, I think it gets hot over a lot of use, and I think it may have heated up the plastic to the point where it leaks. So you can put windshield fluid in it and it'll probably stay, and for my car, let's say, for a couple days, 2 to 3, and then the warning will come on. So if you look down at my dashboard right here, I'm gonna go to check control, and it's gonna have a yellow symbol for just that. But when I press the button, if there were more issues, there'd be another one, but when I press it, it's all gone. So mechanically speaking, this car is sound, and I'm very grateful. This thing, when I say it whips, this car whips. This is a huge upgrade from the Prius. Guys, if you have not seen my Prius videos, go watch it just to see like my mood and like how different I am, I guess. Not saying I'm any different, but you can definitely tell like just the driving experience is completely different compared to each car. And you know, there's nothing wrong with it. They both get you A to B safely, and it's definitely humbled me owning a Prius. That's all I gotta say. Makes me appreciate this even more, the BMW, like way even more than I feel like if someone just had it for their first car. But this would be a great first car, to be honest. This would be a great first car. It pulls really strong. And especially when it's like sunny outside like this, the grip on this car is amazing. It's jaw-dropping. This is one of my favorite roads to drive on. Very peaceful, very pretty looking. Mansions everywhere too. Just a beautiful area. Keeps me very inspired, you know, just to do better and strive for the best. Which I want to promote on this channel, guys. I want all my, you know, supporters, followers. We're a community. I'm gonna make up a name for what we're called, because I don't want anyone to be called a follower, you know. I feel like we all, you know, help each other out, so there's nothing called following. They need to fix that for social media, but that's just my 2 cents. Let me close this, but there's another Beamer. Feel how like quiet the cabin is at 60. You know, I'm not going crazy fast, but even at this speed I'm slowing down because I just saw that speed limit. You know, I don't speed. I respect everyone on this earth, and you know, speeding can endanger yourself and others, but that's a topic for another time. Look at that house. Wow. There's some beautiful houses, and all the trees are blooming right now, which makes just this drive even more, you know, vibrant and happy, and, you know, just good vibes. We need some more good vibes on YouTube, the news, everything, and that's what I aim to strive for on these videos, just good vibes. Look at that Porsche though, good lord. Hello. So I've noticed that this car has power steering, and the fluid for it is kind of you know, something that needs to be checked, because when I first got the car, it was like almost absent, the power steering fluid. So I had to turkey baster it out and into a water bottle, which I'll probably put images of in this video. But it was insane. It was nasty. Wouldn't want any of my followers to see that. I wonder if, oh, that was a undercover. Don't want an undercover behind me. But like I said, guys, this car has been amazing, just absolutely stunning. I love the sounds it makes from the inline 6-liter too. It just, oh, it's amazing. Absolutely jaw-dropping. And now we gotta watch out for these bikers. These bikers, man, you really gotta watch out for them around here. They take up the whole white line. Gotta be careful. Let's see. This is a nice road. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed it so far. I think, what am I at? Yeah, 9 minutes. I had to readjust the camera, guys. But anyways, I don't want to bore everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video I made. If you help my channel out by liking this video and subscribing for more, I'll catch you guys later. Peace.